Now, observe this map. This map is there in your textbook on page number 35. Answer the following questions after studying the map. Let us find the answers. Which natural regions are found in India? This is India, right? So, which natural regions are found in India? The monsoon region and the mountainous region. Next, which continent comprises of a major portion of the hot desert type region? Which continent has major portion of hot desert type of region? If you observe carefully with the help of the index, the Africa continent comprises of major portion of hot desert type region. Next, which continent has the highest diversity in terms of natural regions? Which continent, students? You see, this continent, that is Asia. Asian continent is the one which has got the highest diversity in terms of natural regions. Next, why are there fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere than those in the northern hemisphere? See, if you compare the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, there are fewer natural regions in the southern hemisphere. Why? Because the southern hemisphere has less land and more water. If you compare the northern hemisphere, most of the northern hemisphere is covered by continents. Then, which natural region occupies the largest area in the world? If you compare with the help of the index, the taiga region is the natural region which occupies the largest area in the world. Where else do we find conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica? Now, the conditions similar to the continent of Antarctica will be, but of course, the island near the Arctic Circle. Because both the continents will be having same temperature. The last, through which natural regions does the prime meridian pass? Prime meridian passes West European type climate, the mountainous region, Mediterranean region and grasslands in the torrid zone. Now, talking about natural resources and human occupation. Throughout the lesson, throughout the chapter, you must have realized that how both the things are dependent on each other, how they influence each other. The natural resource influences the human occupation. The natural resources, they influence the natural resources, but of course it influences the human occupation. See, for example, in monsoon region, you will find agriculture as the main occupation. Why? Because the climate is favorable for growing crops. And the other occupation based upon agriculture are found in this type of region. Whereas if you go to the equatorial region, we will find occupation based on forest produce. That is gathering of gum, honey, rubber, etc. In taiga region, the occupation is lumbering. Why? Because you will find soft wood forest over there. And that is why lumbering is the main occupation. That is cutting of trees. Then if you move towards the tundra region, hunting and fishing is carried over there. It is the main occupation in the tundra region, hunting and fishing. Now in grasslands, extensive farming is being undertaken. So students, significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of resource is dependent on that region's progress in science and technology. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affects the life of the people. Thank you. Meet you soon. Bye.